What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today I have a viewer requested thing to review. Today it is my special interest ranking, and apparently this relates to some SCP Discord server. I'm not fully sure what the whole goal of this is here, but we're just gonna review it and get on our way. But before we do and get on to the video, I just want to let you know that not everyone here is subscribed. What the heck, guys? Come on. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button to go to have good luck. Alright guys, let's get into this review.
IFCP and Chimpo, or should I say F tier?
No way.
Because today I'm doing an FCP server member tier list, and I'm like really sick, so it should be good. First off, Chimpo. He's always mean to us and he hates puppies.
Oh no!
Don't click off the video, Chimpo.
I like puppies. Oh, this Chimpo guy, he sounds like a bad dude.
Watch it through. Next up we have Aggression DMP.
Where'd it go?
This guy like one time.
Oh.
And I'm gonna give him like B tier, cause he was pretty good, but I think I
don't know him.
I beat him a little bit, so yeah. Also, this is only based off of who I remember, so if you're not in here, I probably haven't talked to you enough. We got Bill / Cauliflower. This guy's pretty cool, reoccurring character, but doesn't talk a lot. I'm probably gonna C tier. You need to talk more, Bill.
I don't know that guy.
Def Biscuit. I'm actually dying. Def Biscuit's pretty cool. I watched the video he made and put it in B tier.
Never heard of him before.
Pisty. Pisty is a really good artist, and they're pretty cool. I think they're Yaoi enjoyers, so I'm gonna put Pisty in A tier. Weenie. I don't like Weenie. He beat us in the event, but it's hard to be mad at Weenie because he's a pretty cool guy. Put him in B tier.
I don't know him. Who is that?
Garbanzo. I do like Garbanzo. They're pretty cool. They delivered me a zine for free, and they also put me. Oh hell no!
Garbanzo like the bean?
Oh hell
no! What? That's a crazy name. Wow. It's always good to get a little laugh in during a video.
I think they're pretty cool for the A tier. Got, is their name Loli? Whatever. This Japanese person, up and coming character, pretty cool. Still got
Never heard of him.
potential. Put him B tier. A goofy goober. Good reoccurring character. Fairly cool. Good artwork. Also B tier. Striker.
That's that's cool.
I
Never heard of them though, but they should. Yeah.
don't like Striker. I've debated this guy like twice, and I've been in like several events with him. He's pretty cool.
I've never done that. I've never been in an event with him ever.
Oh no, I think this guy also like challenged us in the Chimpos Gorillas thing.
I don't know what that is.
He like led like 3 different attacks against us.
Okay.
But you were D tier actually. You were kind of.
Oh no.
Oh hell no!
Nah, D tier. That's crazy.
Mean to me.
Nah, no way. Nah.
The Toast Stealer. He is actually one of my friends. Very active in the
I don't know who that is.
community. You get A tier. You're pretty.
Who are these people?
Moon 2115 or something. I like Moon. Moon's pretty cool. She doesn't talk much. When she does talk, it's like something. Let me give you a seat.
It's something? What does that even mean? I don't know them.
Here, you don't talk a lot, just like Bill. Figron. Figron. They were like a pretty old member, right? Yeah. You get beats here. I've talked to you on the server before. This was like the super gallant guy. I don't really know this person, but I laughed when she posted who was this when they started talking. You get
Sorry.
you can see too. I don't know you yet. You gotta like talk. Vani. I like Vani. Cool person.
I don't like them because I don't know who that is.
I miss them. They need to come back and make a reappearance. You get A tier.
Is this guy sick or something?
Dr. Coconut.
Oh, yo, Dr. Coconut? More like...
I love Dr. Coconut. He's a really them.
I'm gonna keep this right here
Person.
in case something crazy happens.
C tier purely because of the fact that like going in an event and realizing Dr. Coconut is there makes me feel like, oh shoot, I'm about to lose. So you get a C tier because you don't want me to win.
Okay, cool.
Lay, another Yowie enjoyer.
Never heard of him.
My twin. Furious Bearcat. I think they're like lesbian, so that's pretty cool. You get
cool. Don't know who that is.
Very, very cool person. Very awesome, very intelligent, very creative person. Put you in A tier. I enjoy reading what you have to say.
I don't know what you say.
Very good Yowie enjoyer.
What is that?
In the community.
I don't know them.
You get beats here. Actually, I'll put you in like high beats here.
Who is that?
Local artist Perry. S tier. This person is the most gift.
Wait! This person is here! No way! Oh! No way! That's crazy! No way! W! Claps for him! Wow!
Did or like this is the first most talented artist I've like ever seen in any media.
Whoa.
Very, very cool. I love it.
I don't know though, so I don't really.
Cole. Also S tier. I love Cole. He's.
Get out again here. What the crap? No. Okay. No, stop the glaze. Wait. Hey, yo. And I'm just joking. Anyway.
Really funny. Theory Diviner. Also S tier. Theory is my favorite. Actually, Theory, you get demoted to A tier just because you.
Heck no, I don't know who that is though, so I don't really know.
Mac full / Mac Jack.
Mac.
S tier.
Classic, everyone knows Mac, but I don't know what so, okay.
Yay. S tier.
Yay.
Oh,
No, wait, his name is like the exclamation.
guys know me. Doing this while I'm sick. Because I can't be.
What? He's sick? No, wait. How did I wait? How did I predict that? That's so crazy. Rack up the prediction counter. There we go.
At the event, I'm the GOAT, you know me. And lastly, Fort Collins Productions.
Who's that?
S tier. FCP, super cool videos. Cured me of my depression when I watched some Curious George video.
Whatever, I'm bored. I don't want to freaking watch this stupid video anymore.